future AI overlords. Generative AI. So that is what everyone is so excited about with all these amazing tools like Midjourney, like ChatGPT, like Bing Chat, like Google Bard, like Google Music LM. So generative AI is this field where computers are trained to learn from examples, big data sets, and then use that knowledge to generate new things. So to create brand new things that haven't existed before. So it's like having a super creative friend who can paint beautiful pictures, compose unique music, or even write stories that have never been told before. These AI models study patterns and details in the data that they were trained on. They use that knowledge to create something new that looks or sounds similar. They can come up with incredible art, music, and even realistic images that look like photographs. Generative AI has endless possibilities and can be used to inspire artists, assist scientists, and help us explore new ideas and concepts. It's a powerful tool that continues to evolve, making our world more imaginative and more innovative. So where can you learn about generative AI? So there are lots of online courses, and you can just go Google courses to find ones that work for you. Maybe you already subscribe to Udemy or Coursera or some resource, LinkedIn Learning. So there's lots of online courses available to learn about the tool from the experts. And then there's also research papers for those that really want to dive really deep into the algorithms and deeper explanations of the technology, getting into the generative adversarial networks, the different technologies that underpin generative AI, and that for me, I'm not at that level just yet, but I hope to get there. Now, there have been lots of blogs and out there publishing different types of knowledge. Whether it's Google or different blogs from OpenAI, the Google AI blog. So there's like well-known companies that have blogs on this. You can find lots of articles in Medium. So there's so much content out there. It's kind of overwhelming. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to identify, some specific examples of things that you can kind of look for. So there are some books that cover deep learning, which is generative deep learning. So you can get into the more, the content about the models, about what's the, what are examples and ways that this technology can be used. Of course, there's online communities, in Reddit, Stack Exchange, where you can ask questions and find answers. And then there's code repositories for those that want to develop and create applications and dive really deep into leveraging AI and learning how to implement it. There's different repositories inside GitHub that you can pull from and learn from. GitHub has some great resources on prompt as well. And I'm going to do a video about prompt engineering coming up soon. But prompts are, how do you interact with the AIs to get the answers that you're looking for? So the online courses that I'm kind of recommending to start with is there's one that's brand new from Google called Introduction to Generative AI. And it's brand new. I haven't done it yet, but I've heard amazing things about it. I have taken some other Google courses, and they've been really great. There's a prompt engineering course from Coursera, and then there's a ChatGPT tutorial from Udemy. So I just wanted to kind of reference some places to start because there's so much content out there. And what I'm finding is that sometimes people they start without having the basics, with the fundamentals. And without that, sometimes you can get lost in cool new features, which are great. And sometimes you don't need the fundamentals, but what you may encounter down the road is bumping into things that don't make sense or contradict what you thought the tool could do. And I run into that pretty often. I highlight that in my videos when I think like the way it like persona. When I think the way the persona is going to behave, and it is not the way it's really designed to work. So I've been exploring these tools more experientially, but my goal is to pick up some more training on the tools. So this is where I'm starting, and I just wanted to recommend these to you as well. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Have a great day.